Expectations on a definitive deal on Greece on Monday continues to support the euro. European Economics Commissioner Rehn said yesterday that he saw no reason why we should not be able to conclude the package, to remove the uncertainties that hold back confidence. Rehn hailed that Greece had already taken the reforms that it committed and it's time for the international creditors to deliver their part of the bargain. Greek Prime Minister Samaras said he's not worried about the delay of the release of the bailout fund. But he said that every day that goes by without a decision will burden the economy, its psychology, its markets and citizens and Greeks' pride. And he pledged not to let Greek people's sacrifices. Also, in Europe, EU officials failed to agree on the budget plan for 2014 to 2020. Germany's Chancellor Merkel concerned about spending and stated that it should not be too high in times of budget consolidation in all of Europe. British Prime Minister David Cameron said that it is quite wrong for there to be proposals for this increased extra spending in the EU. So we are going to be negotiating very hard for a good deal for Britain's taxpayers. French PM Hollande insisted on farm support, saying it is not a French policy, it's a Europe. Meanwhile, trading activities are rather subdued with Japan on holiday today, and the US is curtailed by the long Thanksgiving weekend. German IFO will be the main focus in the European session today. The IFO business climate is expected to drop slightly from 100 to 99.5 in November. The current assessment gauge is expected to drop from 107.3 to 106.3. The expectation gauge is expected to drop from 93.2 to 93. Germany will also release the third quarter GDP final, which is expected to be unrevised at 0.2% quarter-on-quarter. In the US session, Canadian CPI is expected to moderately fall further from 1.2% year-on-year to 1% in October. Meanwhile, core CPI is expected to drop from 1.3% year-on-year to 1%.